Alright guys, so you may be wondering what I'm doing with this thing. Well, I've been hoarding these T-roofs for a while. I've got a few of these 87 to 88 T-roofs kicking around. The significance there is the trim is different where it meets the quarter windows on the Aero cars. And so this particular one's been sitting in that corner of this garage for about 10 years. So I've dragged it out today. I'm going to strip it down. I'm going to get it cleaned up. And the reason for that is Jackie and I have decided we're going to T-top her coupe. So I got to be very careful with these 87, 88 T-roof trim pieces. They're not reproduced, there weren't many made, and they're extremely hard to find. There's just a bit of window urethane stuck to the trim on this corner here. Well guys, I'm watching my buddy Chris at the Infamous project here, and he's doing some bushings in the rear end. Geez, I wish he had a video on T-top conversions. Oh my goodness. So I decided where I'd seen some rougher spots that I would pour 15 it. So I decided to do the front of the brace where it goes into the windshield frame. I found quite a bit of moisture in this area and rust, and I figured a little bit of pour 15 couldn't hurt.